Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. I have so many things to share with you all today, so stay with me for a minute. First of all, I'm going to tell you how I got all of these items completely free, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how I did that. The second thing I want to tell you is I am currently doing a giveaway. But that giveaway is over on Instagram. So you can find me on Instagram at Save with Christina. I've partnered up with these lovely women to do a $100 gift card giveaway to Walmart, but you have to act fast. It starts today on Wednesday, and the winner will be announced over on Instagram on Saturday of this week. The third thing that I want to tell you is next week on my Walmart video, I will be doing another Walmart Wednesday challenge, and this time I'm partnering up with Ohio Valley Couponer, and he was one of the first people I met when I started my YouTube channel, and I think he's wonderful, so I'm super excited to team up with him to see who can score the best deals for the week. Last thing I want to tell you about is a new app that I grabbed yesterday. It's called the Miles app. Now, it gives you miles, their form of points, for traveling. So whether that's walking, biking, jogging, driving your car, riding in a boat. I think it's like any form of transportation, Ubering, you get miles for that, and then you can redeem your miles for different rewards like gift cards. But right now, they are running a promotion. So when you refer someone up to 4 people, you get $5 for each of those 4. But if you get 5 referrals, and those referrals are traveling at least 5 trips of 2 miles each, you score a $200 Amazon gift card. So that's pretty amazing. So normally when I get a new app, I learn all the ins and outs of it before I tell you guys about it, but because this one is time sensitive, I wanted to go ahead and let you know, because you have to download the app between November 15th and November 18th, and you have to take at least 5 trips of 2 miles each. So like yesterday was super simple. I think I got 2 or 3 just running around town in my car, and then I'm hoping to take a walk later and get the 2-mile trip there. So it seems really interesting, and I'm excited to use the app more. If you're interested, grab it using my referral code. I'll put the link and the code in the description box below, because using my code will not only give you the 1,000 points when you join, but you get an additional 500 bonus miles as well. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, let's talk about the best deals at Walmart. So let's start with one I did last week, but I grabbed it again because I actually liked it quite a bit. So the Bertolli pasta sauce at my store, there were a number of different ones for $2.12. The tomato basil was priced at $2. The Checkout 51 app is giving $1.25 back on each of these, making them just 75 cents each, and you can do it a maximum of 5 times. I think I did it twice last week, and I did it twice again this week. I also grabbed the Hellmann's sauce. These are priced at $3.47. There is a 50% off coupon in the November 14th save insert, and 2 different apps have offers for this. iBot is giving $1 back, and my Fetch Rewards app was giving $2 back, making this item completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. Now, of course, if you don't have Ibotta or Fetch Rewards yet, I do have referral codes that you can use for both of those that will give you additional cash back when you scan your first receipt. I also have full tutorials on those apps if you want to be walked through how to use it. Those will be down in the video description box below. I also grabbed these Splenda sweeteners. Now, learn from my mistake. Don't grab the gray one. Grab the white one. Only the white one qualifies. It was late last night when I was at the store. I didn't scan the gray one. I just assumed that it qualified like this one. It does not. So you're going to want to grab 2 of these white Splenda sweeteners. They are $3.48 each. Now there is a $4 off to coupon from the November 14th save insert. So you're going to pay just $2.96, but then you're going to get $2 back for each of them on Ibotta, making them free and $1.04 moneymaker. I also grabbed the turtles again because they're delicious, and they're $1, and Ibotta's giving 75 cents back, making it just 25 cents for this product. Another one I grabbed that was new for this week are these Monk Pack Keto Bars. These are $6.54 for 4 bars. Craziness. But there is a couple of rebates. So there is a $1.50 back on Ibotta. There is 1,025 kicks back on Shopkick, which with Shopkick, that's equivalent to $4.10. There's also an app called Makeena that's giving 25 cents back, making this box just 69 cents. Now, I have a referral code for Shopkick that will give you $5 back when you scan your first receipt. So definitely use my referral link and code for that. Also, Makeena, I do have a referral code for that one as well. If you're not using that app yet, it's mostly organic products, but they do have a lot of rebates on the app right now. Okay, the Barnana, these are $2.98. Ibotta's giving $2 back on this with a limit of 5. So if you love these, you can snag 5 of these for just 98 cents per bag. I tried them and I wasn't a huge fan of them. Let me tell you about the Green Giant Veggie offer. Okay, so you want to grab 2 bags of these. They are priced at $2.48 a bag. There are a number of different varieties that qualify. Just check your Swagbucks app because that's the app that has the rebate. They're giving back $4 when you buy 2 bags. So that means your total cost is just 96 cents or 48 cents per bag. And I like to make cauliflower fried rice. I literally just take this bag. I add frozen peas because I really like peas. And then soy sauce and some spices and some like hot pepper flakes. I think it's crazy good. And I feel like I can eat as much as I want because it's very low calorie. All right, also with Swagbucks, I grabbed the Cheeto mac and cheese. Again, you want to buy 2 of them. They're priced at 96 cents each. So your total cost is $1.92 at the register, but you get $1.50 back on Swagbucks, making your total cost 42 cents or just 21 cents per box. If Swagbucks confuses you, I do have a full tutorial on how to use it and submit receipts and get money back. So you can check that out down in the video description box below. We made these the other night. I made 2 boxes, but I only used like 1 of the cheese packets because I thought 2 would be way too much. And I actually thought they were pretty good. And I'm not like a big mac and cheese person. Was that all the food? I think that was all the food. Okay, so let's talk about the Airwicks. So I'm going to be honest with you. I did not buy these this week. I already had them because I bought them with my HEB haul last week. But the deal is valid at Walmart. They are $1.47 each. Ibotta's giving back $1.75 for each of them, making them free and a moneymaker. And you can do that 5 times. If you grab 5 of them, it's going to be $1.40 moneymaker, which is incredible. So that's a good deal. Another new deal is on these Bic razors. These are priced at $5.68. You're going to want to use that $3 coupon from the November 14th save. You'll pay $2.68. Get $3 back on Ibotta, making it free and a 32-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed Dove men's deodorant priced at $4.34. I had the $3 coupon from that November 14th save, so I paid $1.34, but then Ibotta and Fetch gave me money back. So Ibotta gave me $1 back, and my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $2 when you buy 2, but I was already off on that, so I only needed to buy 1 to get the $2 back, so it ended up being a $1.66 moneymaker for me. Now, if you had 2 of those $3 coupons, you would want to buy 2 of these, that way you could get the $2 back on Fetch Rewards as well, but it's a great deal, especially if you like the Dove men deodorant. Now, it might be weird to get excited about saran wrap, but I really like this press and seal stuff. So this is priced at $2.98. I purchased it at $2.98. I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app where I got $1 back. I then submitted to Shopkick where I got 415 kicks back, which is $1.66, making this just 32 cents. And this is going to come in handy for Thanksgiving leftovers. Now, the other deal I did on the Fetch Rewards app, and this one's gonna vary by account. I've seen some people have a $1 offer, some people have a 75-cent offer. Now, I had $1 back when you buy any Suave body wash. My store carries these body washes priced at 97 cents, and it did give me the $1 back, and it was a limit of 5. So I grabbed 5 of these body washes at 97 cents, and I got back $5, making it all free and a 15-cent moneymaker, and I'm excited to be able to donate that to someone who might be able to use it. There are 2 offers that I want to tell you about that I was not able to grab at my store, but the skin condoms. There is an offer on Swagbucks for $6 back when you buy 2. And on Swagbucks, there's a list of a bunch of different products that qualify. One of the products was the 3-count package of the original skin condoms. Those are priced at $2.58. So if you grab 2 of those, you'll pay $5.16, but get $6 back on Swagbucks, making it free and an 84-cent moneymaker, but my store was completely sold out. The other deal, and I couldn't grab this because the deli was closed when I was at the store, but there are a couple of different offers for the Sara Lee like fried flavor meat. On Shopkick, there is an offer for 610 kicks back when you purchase that deli meat, which is $2.44 back. But this product is only $7.97 a pound. So if you grabbed a quarter of a pound and you submitted your receipt to Shopkick, you're gonna end up getting that meat free and a 45-cent moneymaker. Now, if you wanna grab more of it, there was an offer on Ibotta for when you buy at least a pound, you would get $1 back as well. So try that out if you're interested. I wasn't able to try it because the deli was closed. If y'all have any questions on anything I talked about today, don't hesitate to drop me a comment down in the comment section below, and I hope y'all are having a fantastic week. Thanks.